Happy morning, children. We are starting with practice at 1.3 second example. Now in the second example, they have said we have to take set of natural numbers from 1 to 20 as universal set. And we have discussed the concept of universal set. What is the universal set? It is the biggest set which is given in any example when you are solving. If it is said it's a universal set, it is the largest one, the biggest one. So now here, take the set of natural numbers from 1 to 20 as universal set. So first we will write this set in list form, where we will mention all the elements of the universal set. So here u is equal to 1 to 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this is our universal set. And now they have asked, we have to show this universal set. And we have discussed that the universal set, if we have to draw a rectangle. And you have to name it as U. Now, here, take the set of natural numbers from 1 to 20 as universal set we have taken, and show sets x and y using Venn diagram. So x and y sets we have to show. Now for this, x is equal to, now this is given in the form of set builder form. So we will write it in list form. In the list form, we are going to get each and every element of the given set. Now you tell me, x is less than 15. So if x is less than 15, what numbers you will have? What elements you will have? X is less than 15 means? Less than 15 means all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So less than 15 means we will not include 15. It's not given less than or equal to, only less than is given. Now 7 is less than x. So x will take the value, x is less than 15 means all these values it will take. But one more condition is given, 7 is less than x. 7 is less than x. It means x is greater than 7. So if x is greater than 7, then can x take the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? No, it will not take these values. Okay. So what values it will take? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. This you should understand. So we will write what are going to be the elements of set x. That is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. This is the way. Now next is given, and very important, x belongs to natural number. Natural number means all starting from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, all positive. Next is y we have to write now in list form. It is given in set builder form. Now here they have asked, y is a prime number from 1 to 20. So you should know the basic concept of which are the prime numbers. So the smallest prime number we have already discussed is 2, 3, 5, 7. These all you should learn with by heart. What numbers are prime numbers? 11, 13, 17 and 19. These are all the prime numbers from 1 to 20, which comes in its own table. Like 2, when we talk, 2 will come in 2's table, 3 will come in 3's table, 5 will come in 5 tables. They are not going to be present in any other table. 5, it will not be there in 2's table. 3, it will not be in 2's table. 11, it will not be in 5's table. So they are going to be there in their own table. 11 ones are 11. So 11 ones are 11. Okay. Now this is the fundamental thing to understand for prime numbers. Now here we have written this in list form, and we have to show it with the help of Venn diagram. So what we will do, first we will draw the rectangle. Okay, first we will complete drawing the rectangle. After drawing the rectangle, we have to name it. How we are going to name it? As universal set U. And we have discussed like this, universal set U. Universal set is denoted by U. Drawing a rectangle. Now what's the next thing we have to do? All these numbers we have to show 1 to 20 in the universal set. Now these all numbers we are going to write it in this universal set, and from that you have to take the set containing the element 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, these all elements should be present in set X. So if these elements have to be present in set X, I have to write them very closely. So what I will do first I will draw inside the universal set one more figure. See, if it's a universal set, it's a biggest set. So all other sets are going to be a subset of it, the part of it. So they are going to be inside. Any geometrical figure you can draw, circle you can draw, rectangle you can draw, ellipse you can draw, and you can draw square also inside. One more, like small ones you can draw. There is no hard and fast rule. And you can be creative. You can use sketch pens, or you can use color pencils. You can color it. Okay. For rectangle only universal set. Inside don't draw rectangle. For universals, the biggest set only you draw rectangle, but inside for the subsets you can draw circle. That looks much better. And in our textbook most of the time all circles only they have shown, because that really makes you understand the concept very well. So universal set, and we will name this as set X, and 8, 9, 10, 11 all this we have to write in this. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now this you have understood that this is a subset, a part of the universal set. Now remaining numbers you write. 1 to 7 is left, that you write it outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7. Then what is left? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, till 14 it is okay. So we will write 15, then 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Universal set means all the elements, and this is also included. But for this sets X only 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So X is a subset of the universal set U. This way you have to do. If you want, like you can shade it also. Some different colors also can be given. For the next set Y, we have to again draw the universal set U, and universal set U is a rectangle. See, this is what I have drawn first with pencil, universal set, and give the name U. Rectangle is a universe, and inside you can draw a circle, you can draw ellipse. See, this is like this picture also you can draw. If you don't want to use compass and all, by hand also you can draw it. Then we have to show set Y. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So what we will do, first we will write all these numbers. Set Y. Name first we will write Y. 2. See here we have already written all prime numbers from 1 to 20, that we have to write in the set Y. So it will be 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So in the set Y we have written all the prime numbers. Now what are the remaining numbers? In the universal set everything will come. Prime numbers and the remaining numbers. So what are the elements which are left? They are 1. Now 2 is already here. So check. So I'll write 1 here. Then what is left? 2 is, we have written, 3 we have written, 4 is left. So we will write 4 here. Okay, 4 we will write. Now 5 is done. So 6 is left. So 6 we will write here. Then we will take 7 is there. So 8 we will write here. Then 9 is not there. So 9 we will write this side. Anywhere you can write, no hard and fast rule. 9. Then 10. 11 is there. So we will write 12. Then 13 is there. So we will take 14. Then 15. Far off we write, then there is no need to put comma. Here I have put 15 we have written. Then 16. 16 we will write here. Then 17 is there. So 18 we will write here. And what is left? The last one is 1 to 20. So 20 we will write here, corner. Wherever you want you can write. So this way you have to complete the example second one.